Are you looking to integrate Tenable with Azure Security Center but unsure where to start? In this quick guide, we'll walk through the steps to seamlessly connect these two platforms so you can enhance your security posture and get comprehensive vulnerability management within your Azure environment. Stick with me until the end because I'll also be sharing a way for you to access Tenable for free, along with some exclusive bonuses. First things first, why integrate Tenable with Azure Security Center? Well, Tenable provides a powerful solution for vulnerability management, and when you bring it into Azure Security Center, you're able to unify your security efforts across cloud and on prem environments. This integration enables better visibility and control over vulnerabilities, helping you stay one step ahead of potential threats. Next thing, to get started, you'll need a Tenable account. If you don't have one, don't worry, I've got a special link below where you can sign up and get started with an extended free trial. Definitely check that out. Once you have your account, log in to the Tenable platform and navigate to the integration section. Now, let's talk about the third thing, connecting Tenable to Azure Security Center. Head over to Azure and open the Azure Security Center. From there, you'll need to configure an integration. This typically involves setting up API access and making sure the proper permissions are granted so that both platforms can communicate effectively. In Azure, go to the Security Policy section and look for Tenable as a security partner. Once you select it, it will prompt you to enter your Tenable API credentials. The fourth thing you need to do is link your Tenable IO or Tenable SC account with Azure Security Center. This will allow your vulnerability data to be pulled into Azure Security Center and displayed directly in the dashboard. You'll want to confirm that both platforms are successfully syncing, so keep an eye out for any error messages. If you see any, they typically indicate missing or incorrect credentials, which are easy to fix by revisiting your API setup. Once integration is complete, you can begin receiving vulnerability alerts directly in Azure Security Center. This enables you to prioritize remediation tasks within your Azure environment based on the data Tenable provides. And that's not all. Because of the integration, Azure Security Center will also give you recommendations based on the vulnerability findings from Tenable. Next up, the fifth thing you should know is how to monitor your vulnerabilities efficiently. With the integration in place, you can access vulnerability assessments for all your Azure resources, including VMs, databases, and containers. It's all about streamlining the process and making sure you don't miss any critical vulnerabilities that need attention. At this point, you've successfully integrated Tenable with Azure Security Center, and you're ready to manage and prioritize vulnerabilities with a more comprehensive view. Remember, this integration allows you to stay ahead of potential risks and protect your cloud environment more effectively. Finally, if you're interested in giving Tenable a try, don't forget that you can access this software for free with our exclusive bonuses. Click the first link in the description below to grab your extended free trial. And that's it. You've learned how to integrate Tenable with Azure Security Center quickly and effectively. Don't forget to use that link below to sign up for the free trial and start protecting your cloud environment today.